What's up, guys? We just picked up a Coleman mini bike. Look at this beauty.
GTR.
Huh? Where? Where? Oh, right there. Look at that GTR over there, guys. Wow, that's a beauty. Fuck the mini bike right now. Let's see this thing. That's a beauty. But guys, back to the mini bike. Back to the mini bike. Look at this beaut. Coleman CT 200X, guys. We picked it up at the pawn shop. You know, at the whole pawn shop. Can't beat it. We're gonna take it home and do some riding on it, guys. I'll post a video later. Yeah, buddy. We're out. Look at this beautiful sight, guys. Look at this thing here. Yeah, buddy. Coleman BT 200X. The pull cord was broken, and we think the spring was broken there. So, putting a different pull cord on it. We know it runs. I mean, come on, look at it. This thing's new. We'll get some riding footage here in a minute of it. Oh, we back. I had to pause. Had to get my little tripod thing. Look at this thing, guys. 2020 Coleman BT 200X. I mean, come on. You can't go wrong here, right, guys? I mean, somebody took they had like this fanny pack thing up here on it too. It's gone. They had this little bag.
Probably got stolen.
Yeah, it got stolen off it, I bet. That's crazy. You guys, we're going to put a new pull cord on. She should fire right up. We check the gas.
Check the oil?
No, I ain't check nothing. Ain't no gas in it neither.
What? The gas? Go check the oil.
Yeah, you gotta check the oil. I can't get the gas cap back on. Alright, guys, trying to. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, way too much oil or something. Oh, it's leaned over.
It's leaned over.
Alright, well, pick it up straight because I need to. Well, we know it's got oil in it, folks, but sure. You can see that oil right down the ground, if you can see right there. I think I smelled a little bit. Yeah, okay.
She ain't got no gas in it?
She ain't got no gas in it. Alright, hold it straight, hold it straight.
She empty like a dome, bro.
Well, it had some good amount of oil in it. It's got plenty of oil.
This cap's a pain in the ass.
Yeah, see? It got me too. Well, don't put it back on yet, because it ain't gonna need no good if she's empty. Isn't there some gas right here? We gonna fire it up on no gas? I'm still recording as of right now, so we can fire it up on no gas. I'm cool with that.
We can try.
Switch is not on.
You got it? Is this it? On top of the tank.
No, no, no. It comes off your fuel neck.
No, it was nothing on there, dude. This is on top.
That's some kind of vent, but I don't.
Hopefully it don't sound good.
Woo! Dude, that shit echoed so loud. Fired up.
The pork cord don't sound very healthy. What the fuck's rubbish?
Yeah, it's probably just dragging a little bit. Look at that.
It's probably just different. Go ahead, let's see. Something in here rubbing, something's different. Something's wrong. Something's wrong with this setup. It's exactly the same?
Yeah. It ran.
Oh, it runs. We know it runs. I knew it ran already. Yeah, something going on there. Did you look at them and see if they were the same?
No, I didn't do that.
And that's a Hemi motor over there too. I think the Hemi's gonna be
They
different.
don't, no.
I think they are, bro. Well, guys, she runs. I'm still recording, bud. We're gonna figure out what's going on with this pull cord, and I'll be right back. Actually, I can just set this right here. I got this nifty little tripod now. Yeah, buddy. He's on the phone.
They stripped that fucking bolt out, though.
Huh? Yeah, I think it was cutting through it. Right?
was that spring down in there? Where was that spring at? Oh, it's down in there.
No.
Oh, what's that spring? Not doing that. Don't hold that thing on there, okay.
I know.
Where is it?
What was it? Rubber somewhere?
I think there's one of these bolts, because one of the bolts are way too long.
Oh, that's it.
We can't have that. We can't have no long
Give me
bolts.
one of them bolts off the other predator.
Oh, here we go.
Here we go.
Right there. Yeah, that's good. Here's your bolt. Looks different. Oh, my flash is on and all I'm recording. How about that? We got us a little light on this show. We figured it out, we think, guys. It had a bolt that was way too long in that pull cover there, so that ain't no good, you know.
You should have got me another one. This
Why?
is all fucked up.
I ain't got no one. What's wrong with that? That one ain't that bad. Let me see that thread. Ain't nothing wrong with that thread in there. Put it back in the same hole you had it in there. Put it in a different hole. I'm gonna fuck up 2 holes. Hey, bud, you having technical difficulty in here and what, son?
This is what this fucking bolt was.
Tires got air in them and all that good stuff? No? The tires low. I guess you run these tires low though, I think. This our first Coleman, ain't it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is first Coleman, guys. First Coleman. Coleman shout out. Oh, that was it. Switch is off.
I know the switch is up.
No. Turn it on. Did you get throttle fixed?
Oh, man.
Okay. Switch on. We need some gas in it though. I ain't got no gas in it.
Still got the idle.
Cut the oil
Does it really?
sensor.
Yeah, but it's
Oh yeah, this probably doesn't even come with one. Yeah.
I see one.
You need some brakes, bro.
Yeah. Brake.
Yeah, I need brakes.
Oh yeah, that's messed up.
Yeah, it's fucked up.
You gotta get a clutch. New perch on here.
Yeah. I ain't done no wrong.
We're just gonna steal one off of me, like, bro, that plastic one.
You have to barely hold it.
I got that plastic one on the mini bike.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it works. It's hooked up right now.
Well, fire it up. Let's see if you fixed it.
I did fix
I don't
it.
think you fixed it. The people ain't heard it run yet. I want to hear this thing run. It'll burn. Still on still?
Oh, yeah.
Got a kill switch?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Gotta get it.
Whoa.
Right.
You see that almost caught him, man.
You about almost caught him?
Almost caught him with that frisbee just now.
Oh, yeah, dang, bud.
It went whoop, right over his fucking head. What happened to those box of Harley parts? I put it I had a bunch of those filters. No, you can't find nothing? I wonder why.
Stole my filter.
Stole my.
Done stole my filter.
You got it.
Hey, take your ass over there with some more people carry that bench around here.
You gotta take that thing off, bro.
Yeah, you gotta take this. This off.
No, just take that off.
Screw it in there, man.
Unscrew that motherfucker.
But we don't need to use that. We need to... I had a bunch of those stock filters, dude. I don't see not one of them now. I gave one to Poppy the other day. We're gonna pause this guy until we get it back running. How much we got here? Oh, 8 minutes in. That's not bad.
We need to find the Philly too.